Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through on how to switch to the Portuguese language setting in Notion. Switching the language settings in Notion is a simple process. Here's a concise guide to help you transition to the Portuguese language. To get started, click on Settings and Members located at the top right of the left sidebar. This is where you can personalize your interaction with Notion. Once you are inside, navigate to the Language and Region section in the sidebar of the new window. This is where the transformation takes place. Ready? Proceed by clicking the initial drop-down menu. Choose the Portuguese language from the available options. And lo and behold, you have successfully changed your Notion language settings to Portuguese. Enjoy the seamless experience tailored to your linguistic preference. Keep in mind that Notion is consistently expanding its array of language choices, so stay alert for more opportunities. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.